Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 17, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down a point right now to 2078 and a quarter per contract. Yesterday, we did see the market rally back rather sharply, and you could see this big surge. Markets put in a little bit of a low yesterday morning and really rallied throughout the rest of the trading day right into the closing bell. And today they're holding firm, just down a point right now. Typically after you get a big reversal like that, sometimes you could just go sideways or put in what we call a pause day. We'll see if that happens today. I happen to think the markets could carve out a little bit of a positive trading session today, but not a huge move, but I do think we could get a little bit of a positive trading day. Now today is quadruple witching options expiration, so you're going to get a lot of movement. There's going to be some rebalancing and a lot of different indexes, so just be aware of that. You're going to get some wacky moves a little bit later in the day. Some stocks will drop, others will pop, but that's just typical as things get settled out into this options X trading day. All right, let's take a look at a few charts out here today. We're going to start off with Oracle. They reported earnings after the closing bell yesterday. Stock right now is trading at $39.60. It closed at $38.64 yesterday. So this is a pretty good pop for Oracle. I'm seeing a couple resistance levels. First off the bat is going to be around $40.25. If it gets there, that would be first resistance. Then I'm going to have another resistance level around $41.62. Both could be played for scalps, but believe me, believe what I'm telling you, you need to know what you're doing on the charts. Again, if the pattern changes when it hits the level, you may not want it. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything right there, and you could trade right alongside of us. We had another great day yesterday. SWHC is Smith & Wesson. You're going to see this is catching a pretty nice pop. Closed at $21.75. They reported earnings. Now trading at $24 a share. I'm going to give the upside bias to around $24.70. When the stock gets there, that's where it probably stalls out. This is another equity which will be on our radar today. And right now, Smith & Wesson looks like it's pretty strong. In sympathy to the move in Smith & Wesson, you have Strum Ruger, trading up also. This closed at $59.43, now trading at $62.11. So again, always watch those sympathy stocks. They can be played as well. Right now, Strum Ruger is showing pretty good strength. We'll look at this one also when the opening bell rings this morning. Here next we have Finis, FNSR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $19.40, closed at $17.58. This is a great little pop for Finisar. I happen to think 1940 area, 1950, even $20 is a lot of resistance. So I think traders want to be a little bit cautious around these levels. The stock probably has a lot of its gains priced in already. Again, when I look at the volume on it, the volume is decent. So I have to think that the level around here, anywhere from where we are now to $20 is going to be a fair amount of resistance. If the stock gets up to $22, that is where we will look at it closely, possibly even fade it off that level. So keep that on the radar today. Next up, let's take a look at a couple stocks that could trade in sympathy. OCLR usually trades with Finisar. You can see that's up a little bit. EMKR is another one. MCOR, this normally trades up, and then you can see it's popping a little bit. Nothing that great, but if you like those smaller ones, those two will trade in sympathy to Finisar. Let's take a look at Elizabeth Arden. Ticker symbol is RDEN. They are being bought out by Revlon. I'm not sure of the share price, but it's got to be close to $14. So again, nothing to do there. That's a nice pop. If you own Arden, what you want to do here is just trail your stop loss or take it off the table and put the money in the bank. Let's take a look at Lumber Liquidators. Ticker symbol is LL. They promise to not use Chinese laminate inventory anymore, and you're going to see that the stock is catching a nice pop, trading at $14.69 at the moment, closed at $13.23. I happen to think this can get to $15 today. Again, it got there in a pre-market already, so I think it could get back up there. That's where you look for some resistance in this name. Let's take a look at CMTL. Looks like they did a share offering. Stock is getting hammered. Closed at $16.11 yesterday. Now trading at $14.02. That is an ugly move. I do not even have a level where I would get into this. So sit back. Maybe if this got down to 12, I would consider it, but nothing before then. Let's take a look at our European financial stocks. Deutsche Bank trading up decently this morning, closed at 1490, now trading at 1540. All of the European stock indexes are higher today. Credit Suisse trading at $12.40. Stock closed at 1208. That's a nice little move. And then we'll take a look at BCS, which is good old Barclays. Stock is trading at 949. Closed yesterday at 912. So you're seeing all the European financials getting a bid this morning. Now, what happened yesterday to turn the market around? Nobody knows, but it looks like it was a nice technical level. We nailed the bottom yesterday perfectly. And again, if you want to come over, come take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Trade right alongside of us. You'll see everything that we are doing. Crude oil is rebounding in a big way today, up $1.58 this morning. Crude oil right now is trading at $47.78 a barrel. Let's take a look at the oil ETF, which we call the USO. And this is trading at 11.43 from 11.14. So this is a nice little pop in oil today. And again, crude oil, if you look at the daily chart, did hit its 50-day moving average yesterday, so it's getting a technical bounce today. We look like we're having a sell-off in gold again. Gold reversed sharply yesterday. And after making a new piercing high, and then it reversed on volume, and today gold is selling down as well. Right now, gold futures trading down $7.20 to $1,291.30 an ounce. If you had been a member at InTheMoneyStocks, you know exactly what we were looking at for gold, and it played out almost exactly how we saw it play out. Today, the GLD is trading at 123, but look at yesterday's reversal. That is a big one. So again, gold futures right now trading down $7.30. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take the 7-day free trial. Try it out. You get to see everything we're doing for a week. You'll see all the trades we put out. And, again, you get to watch our desktops. That's the best part about it. And we get to answer questions. It's a fully interactive setting. And again, a lot of members, once they come, they do not leave. With that being said, I want to wish you all a great trading day. And we will see you on the charts.